Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a QR code to your Wix website. For this we will need to go to this website, qr-code-generator.com, and first we need to generate this QR code. So you can write anything you would like right here in this box, and it's going to generate the QR code to the site. We can also edit this how it looks before we actually input it, so you can play around with the different designs. I think this looks clean, so scan me, and if people scan, it will refer them to this text or link or whatever you have pasted. You can also change the shape and the color as well as the logo, but I am going to leave it like this. So after you have put in the information here, the link or whatever you want your QR code to lead to, you have to click on this icon right here. So just select it, and it's going to give us a code. We want to double click on it or triple click on it, triple left click, then right click and copy this code. So after we have copied this code, we can close this, and we can also exit out of this website that I just showed you. So QR code generator, we can exit out of this, and we go back to our Wix website. So from here, from the left hand side, we want to click on the plus icon that says add elements. And here in the search bar, if we click on it, we want to search for HTML like I have right here. So it will take us to this page, embeds. So just select it, and then you have to select embed HTML and click on add to site. So once we have added this to site, then right here we paste the code. So right click, paste the code, and then you click on update, and now as you can see we have the QR code generated, and we can move it around and place it anywhere we would like on our website. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.